What's up, guys? This is Jason from Clicks Media, and today I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can monetize your website. Now, I'm sure you're watching this video because you have come up with a great idea or website, yet you do not know how to monetize it. Now, there are 3 basic ways to monetize a website, which are affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or selling your own product or service. Now, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you're essentially acting as a sales rep on behalf of a company. You can market their product or service on your website, and you generate a sales commission if you get a sale from someone clicking that link. An example of this includes signing up for Amazon or Target or Walmart, where you can sign up for a service like Expedia.com, or a platform like ClickBank, where you can sell services or products that someone else has already created. To sign up as an affiliate, you are usually required to fill out an application whereby the brand will check your website or wherever you're going to be marketing their links to determine if you're a qualified rep for their brand. Once you are approved as an affiliate, you can then start placing their ad banners and links on your website to start generating sales commissions. Another easy way to start generating revenue is to sell the empty space on your website to brands and advertisers that are looking to get in front of the same audience that you have visiting your website. This is a very simple way to generate passive money. As long as you have high traffic, you will get revenue. There are many ad networks that you can sign up for to generate passive ad revenue. But 2 of the most well-known include Google AdSense and InfoLinks. You can also set up direct relationships with brands and advertisers and sell that real estate on your website directly to them, generally for a higher profit margin. In order for this strategy to truly work, you need to have high quality traffic coming to your website. The more quality visitors you have coming to your website, the higher your profit potential. Advertisers want to get in front of the same target audience, and they want to get in front of as many eyeballs as possible. So the more you have, the more money you make. Most importantly, if you have access to a manufacturer or you can create a product yourself, you should sell that product directly to your customers from your website. This is one of the most profitable strategies that you can take from your website. If you do not have an idea on a product that you can manufacture, you can use a print-on-demand service like Printful to create teas or coffee mugs, or you can sell through drop shipping, or you can sell your own expertise by creating a digital course on something that you have a lot of knowledge about and sell that digital course to people that also want to learn what you know. Selling your own product or service generally leads to higher profits than the other 2 strategies, so this is a great way to take if you know what product or service you want to sell. Don't fret if all of this information seems overwhelming to you. We at Clicks Media are here to help you launch your online business. We have significant experience in the field, and we've worked with marquee brands to help them execute their digital online strategies. Our work has been featured in some key publications where we highlight our passion to help small businesses and entrepreneurs like you. Look us up if you need help with your business online, and we'll be happy to partner with you.